Question: if the diameter of the circle equals root of 25 times the x squared positive 12, find the area of the circle. So please pause the video and work the question out and tell me the right choice. Okay, I hope you all have got the correct solution. So let's see how to work this out. So diameter D is root of 25 times x squared positive 12. I can rewrite this as 5 times x squared positive 12. I also know D is 2 times R. So this means 2 times R is equal to 5 times x squared positive 12, which means R is equal to 5 over 2 times x squared positive 12 over 2. So which I can rewrite as 5 over 2 times x squared positive 2 divides here 6 times. So this is my radius. So therefore area of the circle has a formula as pi r squared, which is nothing but pi times of r is 5 over 2 x squared positive 6. This is raised to the power of 2. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to expand this. Only then we will be able to find the correct choice. So this is 5 over 2 x squared raised to the power of 2 positive 2 times 5 over 2 x squared times the 6 positive 6 squared. This is equal to pi times, you square it, you get 25 over 4 x to the power of 4 positive. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. 5 times 6 is 30 x squared positive 36. So this is square units. Right, so this is the solution for the area of the circle. Okay.